My name's Nick Anderson. I am the Managing Director of Guild Anderson Furniture. We make handmade kitchens and other rooms associated with them, back of house spaces, largely for period buildings. We design each one individually for that client. I think that being a small business owner is a great challenge. There were two reasons why I enrolled in the Help to Grow management course. The first was, what can I get from this that I can bring back to my business that will help me run it better? Because I suspect, like a lot of people who run their own businesses, I have no formal training in how to do this. The second reason was to get out of the day-to-day. So for me, the few hours a week that goes into the course was an opportunity to think about something else and think differently. It was extremely valuable to have that space and that opportunity to talk to different people about my business and their businesses. When your small business grows, you reach the end of your abilities with certain jobs. One of those for us was marketing. We realised that whilst we were in this lovely situation where we received an awful lot of recommendation, we needed to be more professional about our marketing so that we had a robust pipeline of work coming in. The marketing modules are very important and enabled me to have that space to think a bit more laterally about how we might approach that. And we've developed a number of new initiatives that we're working on to improve how we gather customers. But the main advantage for me was the stimulation that the course gave to think up fresh ideas.